Console.log is really useful for debugging, but there are three additional console methods you definitely need to know. And the first one is console.table. What this does is it allows you to take essentially an array of objects and print it out inside of a table format instead of using the normal format you get with arrays, and this makes working with arrays and objects so much easier. Next, we have the ability to actually determine how long something takes. If you have a long grinding process, you might do a console log like this, but instead you can use something called console.time. So we can say console.time, give it a label, we'll say loop, and in the end, we can say console.timeEnd and give it the same label. And this is going to give us a much more accurate representation of exactly how long this function takes to run. Lastly, if you're trying to print out information on an element, it's going to be really hard because you don't actually get the object itself, you get this weird representation. So you can use something called console.dir, and what this does is essentially allows you to print out the actual object version of an element, and you can use this with lots of other things, but it's really useful if you need to print out something that's printing in a different way than you expect.